Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer. And on this display here, it's giving you an ExH2 error. And you're trying to figure out what this error is and what, if anything, can you do to remove it. So first of all, most of the time, this error is going to not have to do with your dryer. It's going to be external to your dryer. Because the ExH2 basically is your dryer telling you, hey, the voltage coming in from outside the dryer is too high. And this could be for a couple of reasons. Like one, for example, could be if you bought your dryer in one country and you're trying to use it in another country, the protocols can cause errors like this. But if that's not the case, you just need to make sure that, if you're on a home system like solar or something, make sure that the electricity is not exceeding 130 volts coming out of the outlet. Now, if it is, you're going to need to fix the outlet. It's got nothing to do with the dryer. If you've confirmed that the electricity coming into the dryer is what it's supposed to be, but you're still getting this error, then almost certainly the error is going to be that the main control board on here has become faulty and it's giving you this error kind of randomly because something's fried on there. And you'll need to replace the electronic control board on your dryer. If that's the case, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description for a tutorial on how to replace the control board in your dryer.